What's up everyone, welcome to Directed Discovery and I am Nicholas Clayton Lee. Today I'm going to be doing my first unboxing video and I'm going to give you a quick review after using this product for a few days. And what I'm unboxing is this. This is the Apple iPhone 12 Pro. One of the most hyped launches every year is the Apple iPhone, and this year is no exception. This year, Apple introduces us to the first 5G phone with a stronger processor, a better camera system, especially in low light, and a ceramic shield on the phone for a 4 times better drop performance. The first thing you'll notice when you get this box is how small this is compared to older iPhone boxes. The reason for this is because Apple has taken out the charging adapter and headphones. Apple says that removing these aids in carbon emission reductions and allows for more efficient shipping. Once the box is open, you'll find this beautiful Pacific Blue iPhone. The Pacific Blue is one of the 4 colors you can choose from for the iPhone 12 Pro. You can also find a USB-C cable in the box, together with a smaller version of the user guide, the usual SIM card tray removal tool, and only 1 Apple sticker instead of the usual 2. And once you've taken everything out, I don't know if others have noticed this, but don't you think it looks like the original iPod? So my last iPhone is actually the iPhone XS Max, and that came out 2 years ago. I've used this phone just for a few days and I already know that I like this a lot more, mainly because of the size and the sides of this phone. This phone fits in my hand a lot easier than the XS Max did, and the size makes it a lot easier to grip because it's not curved. This reminds me actually of the iPhone 5S, which I loved. The operating system on this is better, but I don't use 5G, so I can't tell you how much faster this internet speed is compared to my old phone. But I can tell you that this camera system is just ridiculous. It's so good, and I can show you these pictures. It's a lot clearer at night, and the autofocus is a lot better. And the reason for that is it's because Apple integrated their LiDAR technology into this phone. For those who don't know, LiDAR is a depth sensing technology where it uses light to reach an object and reflect back onto the phone. Then it builds a depth map of pretty much anything you want in this room. This helps a lot with augmented reality, where I can find out the height of a person or maybe the size of this wall. So for people who uses AR on a daily basis, this is a phone you gotta get. So this iPhone starts at $13.99 Canadian and it goes up to $18.09 depending on the storage size you'd like to get. That's $1,000 to $1,299 US dollars. And on top of that, if you're new to using the iPhone and you don't have the old headphones, in order to get headphones now, you probably have to go for the basic AirPods. Those are $219 Canadian. That's $159 US dollars. And on top of all of that, I still can't charge this phone directly to the wall. I have to buy a separate USB-C charging adapter myself. So after adding all these up, is it still worth it to get this phone? If I've never owned an Apple product, I'd never even consider this, because having to pay for all of these accessories is just gonna piss me off. It's gonna take a huge hit in my pockets. And I can even see for myself that I'm gonna end up spending more and more money on Apple products in the future. I have no idea how Apple plans to attract outside customers now. But if you really do care about having a faster processor, having 5G, and taking nicer photos and videos, then yeah, maybe. But if you care a lot about taking nicer photos and videos, then why not just wait for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which comes out tomorrow, I think. That comes with an even nicer camera system and a bigger screen. Anyway, that's just what I think. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you'd like to follow me on my journey to discover more random products, places, and restaurants, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.